Alright, good morning. We are in North Baltimore, Ohio. I've been kind of dragging butt a little bit this morning. I've been too lazy. Hang on a second. Is that better? I can't see. All I can see is this. So I just hope it's straight. Alright. I haven't been too lazy this morning. I did do laundry. I went and got breakfast. I took Bella out for a nice walk. They had a nice big grassy area here. She enjoyed that. It's Saturday morning. We got about 1,000 miles to go to where we got to be Monday. I had 3 things on my list of things to do this weekend. One was laundry, which I did. 2 is I got to get the oil changed in the truck. And 3 is Walmart. I got to buy my groceries for the week. So I got 1 out of 3 done. I got to figure out where I'm going to get the oil changed. There's a place in Effingham. I always go to Speedco. There's a place in Effingham, Illinois. Here in Illinois, that's it. There's a place, a Speedco in Effingham. There is a Speedco in Joplin. And there's a Speedco in Oklahoma City. The one in Oklahoma City is usually very, very busy. I might check out the one in Effingham because the one in Effingham is right before we get to the Walmart. So if I get that done this afternoon, and then we'll go to Walmart. Alright, we got a green light here. You guys can look at the Humvees, the military trucks here. Most likely National Guard guys doing their duty for the weekend. So we're getting on I-75. We're going to go south down to Dayton, Ohio. Get on I-70. We're going to cut I-70 through Indiana, through Indianapolis, stay on I-70 over to Effingham, Illinois, and take 70 all the way to St. Louis, Missouri. When we get to St. Louis, Missouri, we're going to get on I-44, run that down towards Joplin, and then down to Tulsa, and then Oklahoma City. And we're probably not going to make it that far today, or we will not make it that far today. So, let's get going. We got about 300 miles, give or take, to Effingham, and we'll see if we can get the oil change there. Alright, we didn't get very far. We've gone a whole 32 miles. We're in Beaver Dam, Ohio now. I forgot there's a Speedco right here. So we're gonna go ahead and stop. I know I really need to be driving, but we'll make up for it tonight. We're gonna go ahead and stop and get the oil changed, and we can mark that off our list. There's also a Blue Beacon truck wash here, so we'll see how bad the line is for the truck wash. It's really nice outside, so we might wash the truck. Alright, let's see here. Now, I've never been to this Speedco before, so this will be the first time for me. Let's see if I can figure out how to get back here. It's back in the corner over there. See if I can figure out how to get back there. And the old Blue Beacon truck wash, they got 3 bays over at that one. Let's see how many trucks are in line. Alright, I think the driveway for the Speedco is down here. But we'll go ahead and we'll get the oil change marked off our list. There's not too many trucks in line over at the Speedco or the Blue Beacon, so we'll see what it looks like after we're done. We'll see what it looks like. When I drove by, I didn't see any trucks waiting in line. Yeah, they don't have any trucks in there, so that'll be good. That'll be good. So they should get right on us. That's a good thing. Oil change usually costs right around $350 to about $380, depending on what I have done. Usually, I get my trailer greased. I'll grease the 5th wheel. Get everything took care of. Alright, so we're lining up to get into the Speedco here. I just put it in granny gear, and I'll wait for the guy to wave me in. Alright, here we go. Got the oil changed in the truck, trailer lubed, tire pressure checked, tractor lubed, and we went ahead and replaced the air filters. So got that done. Total bill with the air filters was $408. So we will be good for another 16,000 miles. We're gonna make our way over to the truck wash. It doesn't look that crowded. We've already killed most of the day, so what's a couple more hours? So we'll go ahead and get the truck washed. Into the Blue Beacon now. This is a new Blue Beacon, and they got 3 truck wash bays, so they should be knocking it out pretty good. So hopefully it won't have too long of a wait. And we'll make the old girl look a little better. It looks like, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3 trucks. So I don't think it's gonna take that long. I don't think it'll take that long. Truck wash with wax on the tractor runs about $80 to $85 with an engine wash. You know, I always get the engine washed. So, all right, I will talk to you guys in a bit. All right, time for a truck wash. Truck wash. Alright, finally. Truck wash done. $78 to get truck washed. Looks good. So we got I did laundry this morning. We got the oil changed. And we got the truck washed. And we've driven 34 miles already today. So we're doing pretty good. So we got to put the hammer down here a little bit and get on down the road, because I am killing daylight and we got to be in Texas on Monday. So we're going to take off and head over to Illinois. People hate it when I say that. We're going to head to Illinois. Hell, I couldn't even say it right now. We're heading to Illinois. And then we're going to get to Walmart and get some groceries. So, kick back, relax. I'm going to turn on the podcast. I listen to a lot of talk radio and stuff when I'm driving. I'll listen to music sometimes, but I've listened to music for so long, I've heard about everything. So, I listen to a lot of talk radio podcasts, stuff like that. I listen to iHeartRadio a lot. I use the iHeartRadio app. And, oh, dang, that was a big bump. All right, I use the iHeartRadio app a lot. I have unlimited data with Sprint, so I'll listen to that. All right, guys. I will talk to you guys in a bit. Let's get on down the road here. Made it over here to Vandella, Illinois, at the Walmart parking lot. We're gonna go stock up on some groceries, and that'll be the last of our list of things to do for this weekend. So today we got the oil change, we got the truck washed, got my laundry done. I'm gonna go buy groceries. We gotta drive all day tomorrow. And then we're going to have to drive a little bit on Monday morning to get over to our delivery. So, anyway, it turned into a long day, but that was my fault. So, all right, that's the end of the day. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later.